In this video, we'll walk you through creating a custom page in Store.link. Before we get started, what is a custom page? A custom page allows you to add information beyond your products, like the About Us section shown here. All right, let's see how to create a custom page. Open up your Store.link dashboard and navigate to the Design section. Click on Custom Pages and choose a name for your page, like About Us. Now it's time to add content. Let's add some description about the company here. With the editor, you have the flexibility to make various style adjustments, such as incorporating bullet points, adjusting text colors, or aligning paragraphs to your preference. Remember, these are just some of the formats being used here. Feel free to explore other options. Want to add some visual flair? The editor lets you include images and videos as well. Let's place an image here before adding the next content. Great. Now, let's create a section about the team. Let's format this text to a heading. We'll just add some sample data to demonstrate. Now, let's add bullet points to these descriptions and use bold fonts on the names for emphasis. Nice. Let's add another sample content here, our story. We'll change the text format to a heading and add the content. Last one, our community. We'll add an image here for this part, and then add the content. Add the title, change the text format to a heading, and add the content. Quick tip, you can also resize the image according to your preference. We'll just resize this image here. Once you're happy with the content, click Save to publish your new page. Next, we can configure some page settings. Here, you can create a custom URL for easier navigation, and even optimize the page title and description for search engine optimization. By default, the page will be published and visible to your customers. You can also choose to hide the page. You can also configure where it appears in your store's navigation. It can be either in the header or footer, or both. Finally, if you need to remove the page at any time, you can simply delete it. All right, let's preview the store and see the new About Us page. It should be there, ready for our customers to explore. Great. There's the first content about the company. The next is the image and content about the team. Then comes the story of the company. And finally, talking about the community of the company. We can also create additional custom pages as needed. In this video, why not add a terms and conditions page as well? We'll just add some sample data for now. Add the title, change the text format to a heading, and we'll add some formatting to the content. We'll add bullet points to this text area here. Once you're all set, remember to save the changes to publish the page online. Once you're done creating, preview your store to make sure everything looks perfect. This is the first custom page that we have created, the About Us page. As you can see, all the formats and the image are visible on the website. And this is the second page, the Terms and Conditions page. And that's it. Your custom pages are now live and accessible to your customers. Here's a handy tip. You can also find your custom pages under the Homepage section. The header section will show your custom pages with a special page label. Click the Edit button to jump right back into the custom page editor. If you have any questions, please visit storelink.help.center.